Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. I know Rakhi is around the corner and you might be thinking what you should gift to your loved ones. So in today's video, I am going to uncover some exquisite skincare gift boxes that are ideal to pamper your loved ones. Now Ras Luxury Oil skincare gift boxes are ideal for any special occasion, but even if you are traveling, these are the kits you would ever need. As the name says, Ras Luxury Oils is an Indian luxury skincare brand which is made in India. They are 100% vegan, cruelty free. They provide you 100% pure, natural and organic products, and they provide you this farm to face skincare products which are free from any kind of harmful chemicals, nasties or toxins. Alright you guys, as you can see, I have a lot of miniature kits to recommend you, so I will just quickly go through one by one. So the first thing I am going to recommend you is their 6 and 4 pieces of lip tint, which is their miniature kit. So these are their oh so luxe tinted liquid lip balms. As you can see here, you are getting 6 products and here you are getting 4 products. Ras Luxury Oils oh so luxe tinted liquid lip balms are my favorite of all time because they work as a lip balm. You can apply it as a lipstick or lip tint. Also you can apply it on your cheeks, on your eyes. They are multi-purpose product. And in the 4-piece kit here, you are getting 1 transparent lip balm and 3 tinted liquid lip balms. In the 6-piece kit, you are getting all of their shades. Especially I love their nude and the mauve one. If you want to see the swatches, I will leave the link right here. You can go and check that video out. Also I will include a hand swatch in this particular video so that you guys can see the shades and choose accordingly. But the formulation, if you ask me, they are the best. Now these lip balms are really moisturizing. They are non-sticky, they are lightweight, they provide you that intense amount of hydration, as well as they just plump up your lips. And these are, I feel, is a perfect set to gift to your loved ones, or you can gift it to yourself as well. If you want to try out any of the shades, you can just try the mini ones first, and if you like it, you can go for the bigger size. By the way guys, these lip balms are perfect for everyday use if you are going to office or college. These are not transfer proof, but you can totally reapply them and they provide you that intense amount of hydration and moisturization throughout the day. The next thing I am going to talk about is the Radiance 24K Gold Beauty Boosting Face Elixir, as well as their face massager. Now this is a lightweight moisturizing facial oil which is packed with finest botanical oils that helps to brighten up your skin. This reduces dark spots, pigmentation, blemishes, as well as it plumps up your skin. It gives a beautiful glow to your skin. It keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized, and also it improves your overall skin radiance and glow. Now this is their face massager that I absolutely love, and this just promotes your blood circulation, and whenever you're applying a skincare product, it just helps it to penetrate into your skin even more. And if you are bloating or if you have puffy face, it also helps in dealing with that. Next I will talk about their 5 steps best selling kit. Now you are getting 5 miniature sets of their best selling products, as you guys can see. So here you are getting their polish up, brightening and exfoliating facial cleanser. You are getting the Radiance hydrating and brightening face gel serum. They have their glow potion essence toner. Then you have their 24K Gold Radiance Beauty Boosting Face Elixir, as well as their Rose Nectar Face and Body Mist. Now I feel this is best if you want to try out their product for the very first time. Just get this kit and you would be sorted. And also if you are traveling, this is the only kit you would ever need. You can gift it to someone who is a skincare junkie. Also you can get it for yourself. As you guys can see, this is just perfect while you are traveling. Now if you ask me, my favorite product from this particular set is their Radiance hydrating and brightening face gel serum. I have never used something like this before, so I absolutely love it. I have the full size one. I've finished bottles of this, and this is perfect if you want a glowy, dewy, hydrated skin. If you use this one, you would be sorted and you won't need anything else. You can also use it instead of a moisturizer. It just works perfectly as a serum as well as a moisturizer. And also I love their glow potion essence toner. It's so hydrating on the skin. It's just just perfect. It gives a beautiful subtle glow to your skin. It provides you that moisturization, hydration to your skin, and this kit will last you up to 20 usage. Then I have this Ras Favorites Kit. It comes with 4 of their best selling products, as you guys can see. Now here you are getting a mini size of rose nectar face and body mist. Then you are getting their tinted liquid lip balm in the shade mauve pink, and then we have their Radiance hydrating and brightening face gel serum, and lastly we have their 24K gold Radiance beauty boosting face elixir. This particular kit I would highly recommend. If you want to try out any of their products, just get this one because this has all of their best selling products. They have their Radiance hydrating brightening face gel serum, which is my personal favorite. I have finished bottles of this, so I would highly recommend to get this one. Also, I absolutely love their tinted liquid lip balm in the shade mauve pink. I have finished tubes of this and I have so many backups. This is something I use whenever I'm going out and I just want a little bit of color to my lips. This is something is my go-to. Now if you use this toner, then this serum and this facial oil, trust me you guys, you are gonna glow like a glow goddess. The next miniature kit I am going to talk about is their 4-piece face elixir miniature set, and here you are getting 4 of their iconic face elixir in just one box. So the first thing you are getting is the Radiance Beauty Boosting Face Elixir. Then you have the Revival Kumkumadi Night Face Elixir. Then we have the Luminous Skin Clearing Face Elixir, as well as their Infinity Anti-Aging Face Elixir. Their face elixirs are packed with finest botanical oils that's going to provide you a brighter, healthier looking skin. This is going to provide you nourishment. It's going to hydrate your skin and give you a youthful glow. This kit is suitable for all skin type, which makes it a perfect gifting option for everyone. Also, I would highly recommend this particular kit to everyone, especially for the winter season, and if you have dry skin, you can use it every single night. You just need 2 or 3 drops and that's it. Just try it and you are gonna thank me later. Next, I'm going to talk about their Absolute Radiance gift set, and this is something I think is perfect for Diwali because this is going to make your skin glow like never before. So the first thing you are getting here is their Radiance Hydrating and Brightening Face Cleanser. This is of a 50 ml bottle. Then you are getting their Radiance 24K Gold Beauty Boosting Face Elixir, as well as you are getting 2 of their tinted liquid lip balms. You have the shade mauve pink and berry red. Now again, this is something is perfect for traveling as these are minis. I absolutely love their Radiance range because it actually makes your skin look nice, glowy and radiant. So you should definitely try this particular kit. Also, you are getting 2 of their tinted liquid lip balms. I know these are mini, but trust me, these are going to go for a really long time. And lastly, I have the luxury body essentials. First of all, look at the box, how beautiful this is. You guys can see this is how it looks like. This is a huge box. I absolutely love the packaging. It makes it feel so nice and luxe. This is perfect for Rakhi, perfect for Puja, even for Diwali. I mean, look at that. And also this is suitable for anyone or everyone in your family. If you want to gift it to your sister, your mother, or any of your family member or friend, you can gift it. If you get their kits, you are gonna glow from head to toe, baby. And here in this particular kit, you are getting 3 full-size products. So the first product that I have is their Brighten Exfoliating Body Wash with Himalayan Rose, AHA and Pink Pepper. Then we have their Brighten Lactic Acid Body Lotion, as well as their Brighten Exfoliating Powder to Foam Body Scrub. Now guys, I've already tried their Brighten range. I loved it, and if you want to check my review on this, I will leave the video link right here. You can just go and check that video out. But this range smells like heaven, you guys. When this was launched, I have reviewed this particular range and I absolutely loved it. Now this range smells incredible, you guys. It has roses, and I don't really like that typical fragrance of roses, you know, and it has some different sort of rose fragrance which smells incredible. I absolutely love it. It's so fresh, it's so soothing and calming. It smells like spa. Whenever you are applying their body lotion or body wash or even the body scrub, It smells like heaven, you guys. Your entire bathroom smells like a spa. It has a soothing sort of a fragrance that just calms your soul down, and I love whenever I applying it. Plus it has AHA, so it's going to exfoliate your body. So I would say these are a luxury body care range that's gonna give you a spa sort of experience. So you need to try this particular kit out, and if you are watching me for the very first time and if you like my recommendations, I would highly recommend you to get these products because I absolutely love it. And I know they're a little expensive, but they're totally worth your money. You are not gonna regret it after buying it. Now if you ask me personally, I absolutely love Ras Luxury Oils as a brand because although their products are luxury products, but they are totally worth your money. None of their products I have tried till date, they have never disappointed me. And secondly, they have come out with many products, their miniature kits. So if you are someone who want to try out their product first and then buy it, you can totally try it for 10 to 15 days, then you can decide you want to get it or not. So that's something I absolutely love about this particular brand, because not everyone can afford luxury products, you know, but you can totally try it with their miniature kits, which I absolutely love. And another thing I recently came to know about this particular brand, which makes me so happy, that they support women empowerment as well as animal welfare. So 67% of their employees are women. By the way guys, I do have a coupon code with them. I will mention it on the screen right now. If you use that on their website, you will get extra 10% off. I'll mention it on the screen as well as in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So please consider subscribing and join my fam. It would mean the absolute world to me. All of the product details, links, everything is mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And give this video a big thumbs up if you like it or find this video helpful. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one.